We'll guide you through how to cancel Roblox Premium. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, it's important you watch this full guide as we're covering important information about what's going to go and happen when you go and cancel Roblox Premium. So make sure this full guide you're going to go and know what you need to. So it's important to note that when you go and cancel your Roblox Premium, you will not immediately go and lose the features and benefits of it. You're going to go and keep them until the billing date. So, for example, if the billing date and the renewal isn't due till next week, even after cancelling it, you're still going to go and keep them until the billing and renewal date, and at that point, they'll then go and be lost. In some cases, on other platforms, when you cancel it, you immediately go and lose them, no matter when your billing or renewal date is. So that's important to know. It's of course important to note as well is when you go and cancel Roblox Premium, you're going to go and lose the benefits. So things like trading, the Robux that you get deposited from having Roblox Premium on the billing and renewal date will stop, and then other things as well. So just consider that they are going to go and be lost if you no longer pay. So if you're sure you want to do this, what we need to do is we need to go and head to our Roblox settings. So you need to come over to the left to the row of options and find the option for more and go and click there. This will open up, and then what you need to do is we need to go and find the option for settings at the bottom here. So go and click on it like so. Go away, and then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for subscriptions in this list just below payment methods and above notifications. Click there. Go and wait, and it's then going to go and load them. We can go and see I currently go and have Roblox Premium. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and cancel it. So we can click on it. You can read some information about it. And if you're sure, what you can do is go to the right and press cancel renewal. Then it says, are you sure you want to cancel? If you cancel, your benefits will be available to you until the 30th, which is my billing and renewal date. So I'm sure I'm going to press yes, cancel, and that's it. So we're going to go and keep Roblox Premium until it goes and expires on the 30th. But at that point, the benefits are going to stop and we will not be charged. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.